Do you want to find out why under main is a thing in Python? Well, it's basically because it avoids side effects and allows you to execute code only when you're running on the terminal as a command line tool. Do you want to find more about why this is a thing and what those side effects are? Let's just quickly get into the details. So let's find out why under main is a thing in Python. I have a quick script here that has a single function here in line 4. It calculates the size of a file. It gets an input, in this case is file. And in line 10, I'm using the sys.argv module so that we can process an argument on the command line and then pass that on to the calculate file. So what's the deal here? Let's see how this works first in order to understand why under main is a thing. So I'm going to open up the terminal. So if I do Python 3 and then I call size.py and then I have a video over here, it'll tell me exactly what's going on. But what happens if I run Python 3 and then I try to import size? So see what happens. I'm getting an exception. Why am I getting an exception here? Well, because my script is very eager, is doing things at import time. Let's take a look at the script again. So if I'm closing this here, on line 10, when you import this script, it will go first through line 1, line 2, then the function doesn't do anything because it's getting imported, like there's nothing calling that. But line 10 is getting executed on import. So you have line 10 getting imported, then line 11 getting imported. So it's a side effect. It's very eager. It's doing things at import time, and you only want to do this, you want to execute this as a script. That's the reason. You want to use that secret special thing from Python, which is if name equals main. So if we do these and then that, these will only affect when you are running this as a script. That's the thing. So let's try quickly what happens if I import this with Python. So if I exit out of here, run Python 3, again, just to check if this will work. It still works, that's fine. I run Python 3. I'm gonna make my terminal a little bit bigger. And then I'm going to import size, and then nothing happened, no side effects. Why no side effects? Because we've conditionalized on line 10, hey, if this script is getting executed in the command line as in the terminal as a command line tool, then execute line 11 and 12. Otherwise, like just don't do anything. That's why we're able to import. So that's the thing. You need line number 10 to avoid side effects and to allow these to only allow pieces of code to be executed only when a script is called on the terminal.